person who leads the retrieval assisted transplant surgeon from the Bute team of people. And then the implantation, Isabel leads that. She's a kidney transplant surgeon, and she's assisted by me, and again there's a big team of us. So the first one 2 years ago was of course a very long day. We've done all our surgery, so there's no impact on NHS services. Everybody here really had a great time. We met her that day, really quite remarkable. 2 weeks post-transplant, the case was looking well. She'd gone home, things were all heading in the right direction, and then of course she had an embryo transfer. Fantastic, first embryo transfer. She got pregnant, and we now have little baby Amy Isabel, which is just as Grace just said, a little miracle, that's for sure.
And there've been more transplants as well since Grace's procedure, although those ones are slightly different.
Let's turn the radio down so you can hear what I'm saying. Can you see the wildfires? Well, you can't at the moment because I'm facing out to sea. Oh, I'm just coming out of where the smoke from the big wildfire is having an impact. There we go. Facing right towards the wildfires and towards the top of the mountain. Not sure if you can see them or if they come out terribly clearly on camera. But yeah, that is quite a few smaller ones. Doesn't look fun at all. Don't worry, there's helicopters and the fire service.
25 years then, Richard.
I think they're tackling the big one, which is to my right at the moment. Although those ones at some point might well join up and become bigger. But anyway.
They're working very much actually to sort of trailing along about a year behind the Swedish group. They had their success 10 years before us. We had ethics committee approval actually in 2015. But the big thing for us was we wanted to have a sustainable both living and deceased donor program, and we kind of got there by 2020, and then of course COVID hit, and that took out 2.5 years, and then we finally got going again.
So what kind of ethical debate has there been about this kind of procedure?
Oh, so if we go back, there was a lot of ethical debate, and we've done a lot of work with the University of Lancaster, Cardiff University, with law and ethics, and most people would say that in terms of the ethics of this, those questions...
It's okay, I'm just stopping to take a photo outside of the influence of
if you look at transplants, there's life-saving
smoke from the big fire.
There's life-enhancing transplants, so limbs, face, etc. And that's become a much more accepted thing, which does absolutely transform lives. But this procedure is actually designed to create life, and that's an amazing thing. And people talk about health economics. You know, little baby Amy is hopefully going to grow into an adult who does a job, pays taxes, and all